Hi guys, welcome to the Christmas present review video. I'm Jay, the creator, and it's just going to be a quick video. The Christmas present is now live. If you go over to Warrior Plus, you can see it. It is live, or you can just check it out on the actual website page. Yeah, thechristmaspresent.co.uk. So I will leave a link in the description, but let's get into it. Yeah, the Christmas present. It's packed full of colouring books, learning books, Christmas games, journals, social media posts, articles, letter to Santa, blog posts, and extras, guys. So you can come over and you can read it, but I'm going to show you these are the kind of books I have created and what I've got currently on sale on Amazon. Yeah, you get 10 interior books of each of these books. Yeah, this is probably my best seller, the Ugly Christmas Sweater colouring book, and some of them have got good reviews, 5-star reviews, so feel free to check them out. And these are some of the interiors of it. So like this Cat's Christmas one, you get 45 different colouring pages. The Christmas colouring book for kids is 30 different drawings to enjoy, 30 different for this one, and the dogs one. And then you got 55 on this one, but that's just 4 different books, guys. You've got all these 10 to do, and all you have to do is create a cover and upload them yourself, or print them out, give them to your family, give them to your kids, let them enjoy it. Yeah, if you were to buy every single one of these books, yeah, every single 10 of these books, let's say I sell them for £5 each, yeah, right, that's already a lot more than what I'm charging for this. Yeah, you can check it out yourself, but there's lots more to it. It's not just these 10 books, guys. Yeah, you get 25 articles, you get 61 social media posts, and you get 5 blog posts. These blog posts have never been uploaded anywhere else. I had them outsourced and created for my own website, but I've not uploaded them. I thought I'd give them away. Yeah, 61 social media posts I've had outsourced and created. I've created some myself, but I've outsourced the majority of them, so that's more money spent. Same with these articles. Yeah. And these are some of the articles you get, so you can see the quality of them. Yeah, they're really good. They bring attention to your websites or to your pages and that. Then 25 Christmas games that I upload myself to Etsy. Yeah, you can see on previous videos I have talked about and I have shown my Etsy store. These are like bundles of word searches, bingo games, Christmas advent calendars, lots of different like elf reports, movie trivia, all sorts, guys. And you can sell these yourself. You can print them off and play with your family and loved ones, or you can give them away as gifts, guys. Just print them out and they'll look good. Yeah, or like I said, sell them. Upload, make your own channel on Etsy, make your own page on Amazon, and upload the books, upload these games, and start earning a passive income like I do. Yeah, a little bit more in the description about them, a few more images of what you kind of get inside. But wait, there is more. There's 2 learning books. Yeah, great for kids for learning. Activity books for learning to read, learning to write. Then you've also got the planners. You've got the kids, the Christmas colouring activity journal for kids, and you've got the notebook, the Christmas Everyday notebook. This was actually my first ever book I created, so you can get it as well, guys. And I want to give more to you, so I've give lots of extras, and these are just some of them. You've got Santa's reindeer letter, you've got the countdown to Christmas, you've got Christmas like sort of letter to Santa, you've got the wish list, you've got this or that, and you've got a plain letter to Santa, plus more and more, guys. Then there's some videos you can upload to your social medias, or you can sell it on Fiverr or wherever you want to sell them. But what can you do with these? Like I said, you can give them away to your loved ones. You can sell on Amazon KDP. You can post on your blog, share on your social media, start your own business, or you can use them as stocking fillers, or enjoy them yourself with your loved ones. I have spent hundreds of hours and I've spent thousands of money on these, creating these and having them made. Yeah, feel free to come and check them out. Come and check this out. And what are you going to get inside? You get 10 colouring book interiors. You get 25 Christmas printable games. You get 61 Christmas social media posts. You get 25 mixed article posts, 5 Christmas blog posts, 2 learning books, 2 writing books, plus 20 plus extras, guys. And you can get that for this one low fee. Yeah, so just imagine if you just sold 10 of those books for £5 each. That's £5. This is being sold in dollars, so come and check it out. It was this price, but I've halved it, and you can get it for this for today, guys. So feel free to click the add to cart and check it out in more detail. And some of the questions, you can come and read it, guys. But this, in a nutshell, is the Christmas present. So feel free to come and have a look and let us know in the comments. The link will be in the description for you to click on it. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.